everybody. Today I'm sharing with you another plant haul, which I did mention I'm trying to collect all vining plants like the Hoyas, philodendrons, so on. Okay, so I already had one of these Dansonis. Adansoni, I think that's how you say it. This one was kind of, I don't know, was not happy, the one I had, but I bought another one. But the one I had, I did repot it, did a couple cuttings out of it, and it's actually growing new leaves, so I'm glad for that one. So yes, I got another Adansoni. It's nice and long, and I also got a begonia, which is a nice big one. Nice begonia. It's full of flower. It's a nice big one. I'm gonna cut it down and root it. I don't want it that tall. I got this one, which is beautiful. It's a very nice lime green. It's different. It's beautiful. So it's called, I cannot pronounce it, but you can see there, that's what he wrote on this philodendron. It's gorgeous. I love it. I fell in love with it as soon as I saw the color, and I'm like, I have to have it. And next we have here is the Ficus triangularis. Sorry, my nails are black because I was repotting them and I totally forgot that I did not make a video. So this is the Ficus triangularis. Beautiful plant. Very, very beautiful plant. And then I got a silver pothos. It has a long vine, which is stretched all the way over there. I got this in the nursery Valley View. They used to be in Kennedy in Toronto, but they moved in Markham. Quite far for me, but since we were in the area, I begged my husband, take me there. And we have next here is another philodendron that is almost similar as the other one, but you can see the stem is so different, kind of hairy. This one, I'm not sure what you can call it, but there it is. That's what it's called. Yes, another philodendron. And I got the Pennywort. Beautiful plant. And I know this one you have to always keep it very moist. So the only plant from all of them has to be very moist. Next one, we have this silver sword philodendron, I think. Apparently they don't give you tags for these plants over there. You just have to make sure you write it down. Why it's called silver? Because it has kind of a silvery look to them, right? So it's a beautiful philodendron. I repotted all of them and I totally forgot to make a video. It's very beautiful as well. And I got another Mycans, because the one I have is so small, which is right there. Since I was in the area, I said, I'm going to get it. I don't care, I have to get it. So I'm going to do some cuttings from this and then root them and just put them in the same pot, because anyways, it's just a little bit. There's like a whole, probably half of it almost empty. Love my cans. It's so beautiful. And my husband picked up this big aloe vera. It's so big. Like I have one over there in the corner, up there in the corner window. And well, anyways, yeah, I took out the babies from that one, and as you can see, that one is really old. This one, he decided to pick that one. So I went to the nursery and I went to another place. So it's two places I went. That one was residential, a home. So apparently his hobbies are to root things and sell like I do. Well, I don't do it every time, but sometimes when I get too many babies, like certain plants, yeah, I do. We don't want to promote those cups. No. So my husband bought this nice big aloe vera. It is huge. It's huge. Yeah, it has babies. So I'm going to also repot this one and take some of the babies out, separate them, and put it in a separate pot. And here I have a golden pothos, which is the regular one. And it's looking very shiny and beautiful. I guess it's happy in here. The ones I had before, it was with, I think, millibugs, I think it was. I'm not sure, but yeah, I had to get rid of those ones. All of them, all that were infested with them, I just had to get rid of it. I also got this Hoya. It is called Carnosa, tricolor, variegated. You see these slits? Yeah, my son playing with a dog, plant fell and it got injured. You guys know the feeling. And I also picked up some more cilantro, and I decided to put it in a pot and just cut it when I need it, so it doesn't make flowers, because once it makes flowers, it's no good, no more to use. And I also got this one, the jalapeno, and I decided to put it in a pot. Look at those jalapenos. Yummy, spicy. Well, my friends, that is my plant haul. It is not as much, well, yeah, it is a lot, don't you think so? To me, yeah. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.